Shoulder is significantly stressed in athletes who involve in overhead movements such as tennis, baseball, volleyball, javelin throwing. Here I am going to talk about the common back shoulder pain during serving movement. There are basically 6 phases of serving motion. Out of them, during late cocking and acceleration phase, when shoulder is in 90-degree abducted position, and in order to produce the more powerful serve, hyperexternal rotation occur, which causes the excessive posterior translation of humeral head and stressing the anterior capsule of shoulder. On contrary, during deceleration phase, when the ball released or strike on the racket, posterior capsule of shoulder widened and traumatized, which leads to the posterior capsule hypertrophy and contracture development. Let's see what are the main signs and symptoms occur. Back of the shoulder is painful, and this pain is increases during 90 degree of abduction and external rotation, that is serving movement. Back of shoulder is tender on touching. Affected shoulder is slightly lower than the other side, and inferior medial border of scapula is become prominent as compared to the other side, and there is adaptation of range of movement occurs, such as there is decrease in internal rotation movement and increase in external rotation movement as compared to the other side. To regain the normal movement and to make it pain free, you need to do some specific stretching and exercises. Here I am going to tell you about stretching. First and the most important stretch is sleeper's stretch. For this, you have to lie down at the stretching arm side and move your body slightly forward in order to secure your scapula in place. Now keep the arm at the shoulder level and elbow bend 90 degrees with palm facing foot side. Now do the internal rotation, and with the help of other hand move it further down as much as you can and hold it. By doing this, you feel the stretch at the back of the shoulder. If not feeling the stretch properly, then to enhance the stretching force, you keep a small folded towel above the elbow and perform the same stretching. This cross chest stretching. Bring your arm across the chest, then with the help of other hand pull the arm further towards the chest and hold it. Make sure do not rotate your body while stretching. Next is capsular stretching. In this, hold a railing or anything sturdy which is at the same height of your shoulder. Keep your elbow straight. Now while holding it, rotate your body fully towards the stretching arm side and hold it. Next is assisted stretch, which exclusively performed by doctors only. For the first stretch, keep the arm in 90-degree abduction and with one hand give full support at elbow. Now place other hand at the head of humerus near to the joint line and give posterior glide to stretch the posterior capsule. You can hold this stretch for 30 seconds and perform 3 times, or can perform stretch and relax alternatively many times. For the second stretch, keep the arm flexed to 90 degree like this, then put both hands on top of the elbow and push it vertically downward to stretch the posterior capsule. While maintaining this posterior capsule stretch, do some circular movements of the arm. And also perform some up and down movements in order to stretch the posterior capsule.